show you how to make this, the beautiful lanterns. Please subscribe and take to my channel and click the bell button so you can see one of nice videos like these. And you need 2 color paper cut into a rectangle. And take a paper you like and also fold it fully here. Then after folding, take scissors and place a bent part cut halfway over the top. And for the last one, I'm cutting it full. To make the handle. And take another paper and leave some gap and put glue there. Now it's done. Then the back, do the same gap and stick this paper. And now you have a tunnel. Now put glue here and can you see that tiny gap here? Then you have to take that and you have to make like this. I had sticked it now and take the part which I was telling you to cut it full and put some glue here and here. Our beautiful lantern is ready. You can use it for decorating Diwali or Deepavali. And thank you for watching my video and learning. And please do the likes if you like my video. And don't forget to click the bell button. So you can see one of nice videos like this. Bye everyone, I'll meet you next day with new videos. Stay safe. Bye.